So the eighth question I'm going to answer is about shapes and algebra, how it works together. So eighth question states, two cones are shown in the diagram below. Here's the cone 1, here's the cone 2. The radius of the smaller cone is x centimeter as shown in the rough sketch, and the height is 3 centimeter. The radius of the larger cone, which is cone 2, is x plus 1 centimeter, and the height is 6 centimeter. And A part states the total volume of the two cones, cone 1 and cone 2, smaller cone and larger cone, together is 102 pi. Show that 3x square plus 4x minus 100 is equal to 0. So solution for that is we know that volume of cone is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h, where r is radius and h is height. So according to the A part, the total volume of two cones together, it means first of all the volume of smaller cone, which is 1 over 3 pi. Instead of radius we can use x square, and instead of h we can use 3. That's the volume of smaller cone, plus volume of larger cone, which is 1 over 3 pi. Instead of r, again we can use x plus 1 whole square, and instead of h we can use 6, is equal to 102 pi. So in this equation, that 3 can be cancelled out with this 3, and that 3 will be cancelled out with this 6, and left with 2 only, which means how many 3's will go to 6? 2. So it will remain as pi x square plus 2 times pi, 2 pi x plus 1 whole square is equal to 102 pi. Divide pi on both sides, and when we divide pi on both sides, so this pi will cancel out, this pi will cancel out, and this pi will cancel out. So the remainder will left as x square plus 2x plus 1 whole square is equal to 102, which means x square will remain same, 2 will remain same. Instead of x plus 1 whole square, we can write down x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 102. According to the algebraic formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and in this a is equal to x and b is equal to 1. So back to the question now. X square will remain same, and 2 times we have to multiply 2 in the brackets, so 2 times x square will give you 2x square, 2 times 1 will give you 2, and 2 times 2x will give you 4x, which is equal to 102. X square plus 2x square will give you 3x square, plus 4x will remain same, plus 2 will remain same, and 102 will come to the left hand side and becomes minus 102, which will be equal to 0. As we already know, when left hand side is equal to right hand side, if anything goes from right to left or left to right, sign will change from negative to positive and positive to negative. So in this question back again, so 3x square plus 4x minus 100 is equal to 0, hence proved. So the important bit in this question is we need to know the formula of volume of cone, then we just need to add two volumes. In respect of left hand side where pi is given, you need to cancel out pi because pi is common everywhere. You can divide pi in left hand side and right hand side both together, and then normal algebra equation will come, which is like that, and you just open up the brackets with the formula given like that, or you can multiply x plus 1 multiply with x plus 1 and open the brackets, then it will give the same thing as well. And then just add up all the values and bring right hand side term to the left hand side and change the sign as the rule says, and hence prove the answer.